Hello, good day. Andy here with Pop Yachts. We're checking out a 2006 Hurricane Fun Deck. This is the GS211 model. Nice rare find with the center console design, plenty of seating. Just under 21 feet end to end with a nice wide 8.5 foot beam. Kept on a trailer when not in use. Nice bimini top for shade. And then you've got Yamaha's 150 horsepower 4-stroke outboard. This thing's rated for 10 people on board. Got a nice stainless steel prop, digging in deep and getting you up on plane fine and dandy. Garmin GPS, onboard live well, plenty of storage. Quality construction by Godfrey Marine. Their Hurricane line almost has a cult following. Let's go ahead and hop up on deck, take a look inside. All right, up on the deck here, lots of seating at the rear section. You've got dual seats behind the helm. The captain's seat has a flip-up bolster. Live wells under the centerline seat. A couple of rod holders back here. Nice stainless steel frame on the bimini top. Cooler storage on the port side. Rod storage on the starboard side. Nice low-profile stainless steel grab rails, as well as a full wraparound railing around the helm. Nice clear gauges, digital depth unit, and accessory switches along both sides. And for navigation, Garmin's GPS map 541S, as well as a Richey compass. Nice clear windshield, again rated for 10 people on board. You've also got an onboard stereo. Moving forward, the 8.5 foot beam really opens up the forward seating area. Plenty of room under the seats as well as in floor. Then easy access to your non-skid pattern forward swim ladder. Take some time, check out all the high resolution photos we have on popyachts.com and give me a call today. My name's Andy. Look forward to meeting you in person for a walkthrough tour. Let's get you out on the water, cruising, fishing, and having fun.